Yep, go ahead.
Man, it's a hard open.
It's a hard open.
Hey.
What is it?
It's a car's back.
Why don't you flip it over? Awesome. It's got lightning on it, huh?
Yeah. I don't know what's in it.
Open it up and see.
I was looking for these things. But it wasn't bomb blasting me or what?
Open it up. What's in there?
Yeah, be kidding.
It's a lunchbox, huh?
Is this from, am I supposed to give this to my school?
Well, not your school now, but next year, yeah, probably.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was bomb blasting Mater, though.
Oh well. What do you say?
Thank you.
Alright then. Thank you to who?
Mamas?
No, not Mama's.
Daddy?
No, not Daddy either. How about St. Nicholas?
Nicholas?
We're good enough. Say bye.